the Sinyan family YouTube channel. We are so happy that you are here. We are trying to improve our videos and bring you more content, more language in a fun and exciting way, just the way that we are learning it. So this video is, can I come in? It is a way for us to learn how to say the phrase, can I come in Wolof, because that is a very common phrase that my children say every single day when they're knocking on the door to our bedroom or to the bathroom or wherever we may be. They're always knocking on the door saying, can I come in? So I figured this would be a great opportunity for them to learn how to say that in Wolof. All right, I hope you guys enjoy.
Muna juga sih. Muna juga sih. Try again. Muna juga sih. Muna juga sih. Huh. Not there. They usually answer the door. Did they answer to you when you said Muna juga sih?
No, did they to you?
No. I guess if they don't answer, we're gonna have to sing to them. Let's go. Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna. They didn't answer. I think we're gonna have to work it down. Yeah. Break it down. Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih, Muna juga sih.
Can I come in?
Muna juga sih. Can I come here?
Really, guys? Really, guys?
Yeah.
Wow. No. Did it. You cannot come in.
Wow.
Did it.
Wow.
Did it.
Did it.
Wow.
Did it.
Did it.
Wow.
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 Did it.
I went too high. Yeah. Oh, Pa, the baby.
Okay.
I know you're a fool for them.
You guys ready?
Yes, single handshake, y'all. Come on.
Alright, let's do this.
Yo Kanla, I am 10 and my name is Yabasi. Yo Kanla, I am 13, my name is Ida. Yo Kanla,
My name is Simone and I'm the mommy.
Yo Kanla,
My name is Daddy and Papa Diddy Pop. Papa Diddy Pop. Papa Diddy Pop. Papa Diddy Pop. Papa Diddy Pop.
Bye man.